Welcome to Higher Demand, where we bring you the latest in tech, defense, and innovation. Today we're exploring the DragonFire laser weapons system, a high-tech laser defense system that's poised to reshape naval warfare. Developed by the UK, DragonFire is a cutting-edge laser weapon system designed to neutralize threats like drones, small boats, and missiles. It's an advanced solution that marks the dawn of a new era in naval defense. DragonFire uses powerful laser beams to destroy or disable threats, offering faster response times and a more cost-effective alternative to traditional missile defense systems. So, how does DragonFire work? Unlike traditional missile defense systems, DragonFire uses directed energy, laser beams concentrated on targets to disable or destroy them. These lasers are powered by advanced technology that allows for pinpoint accuracy and instant reaction times, meaning the laser can engage threats before they even get close. One of the major advantages of DragonFire is its cost-effectiveness. Traditional missile systems can cost millions per interception, but DragonFire operates at a fraction of the cost per shot. And since the laser operates at the speed of light, it's incredibly fast, offering an immediate response to incoming threats. By 2027, DragonFire will be integrated into 4 Royal Navy warships, significantly enhancing the UK's naval defence capabilities. With funding secured in 2025, this cutting-edge technology is now on track to become a vital part of modern naval fleets. As global threats evolve, the need for versatile, cost-effective defense systems like DragonFire becomes more critical. This laser weapon system is set to play a major role in safeguarding naval assets worldwide. DragonFire is just the beginning. As directed energy technology continues to evolve, it will likely revolutionize how navies defend their assets on the high seas. Laser defense is the future, and DragonFire is leading the charge in making this technology a key player in military operations. Thanks for tuning in to today's breakdown of the DragonFire laser weapons system. What do you think about the future of laser defense? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more on military tech and innovations.
Thanks for tuning into Higher Demand. If you found this video helpful and entertaining, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss out on future videos. We're all about diving deeper into the things that truly matter, so stay tuned for more exciting content. Keep questioning, keep learning, and remember, the truth is always in higher demand.